So, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, before we start the session, I would like to, I'd like to meet you somebody who's very special, and her name is Dr. Shweta Jain, and we have the angel coach Raksha Jain. Raksha is from Hyderabad, and I was informed by Raksha that we have Dr. Shweta Jain. She is from Meerut, 42 years of age, and she's a dental surgeon. And she was having some health issues which she have naturally reversed with the help of naturopathy. And it was like constipation from more than 3 years, migraine from more than 3 years, headache from more than 3 years, gas problem for more than 3 years, hypothyroid from 5 years, bloating from 3 years, psoriasis from 3 years, cervical spondylitis from 5 years, fatigue she was having from 3 years, right? Overweight from 10 years, high triglycerides 3 years, IBS from 3 years, hair fall, acidity, acne, urticaria, and stress. So all the medicines have been gone which she was taking, and she is perfectly all right, feeling energetic, and it was done by the angel coach Raksha. So before I come to Raksha, I would like to unmute Dr. Shweta Jain. Dr. Shweta Jain, so over to you, and thank you so much for coming over here. And over to you, how has been your journey in naturopathy? Yeah.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for the introduction. And first of all, I would really like to congratulate you for the awesome drive that you are carrying out, and you are curing so many people out there with this naturopathy, because there is not a single person out there who is not having the health problem, and they are not taking the medicines, they are popping pills like anything out there. And it's just because of the naturopathy that now I have developed the belief that definitely we can improve our health. We can definitely improve our lifestyle, the way we are living. We can correct. So thank you so much for giving us that direction, because direction is also very important apart from following the naturopathy. So basically, I'm a dental surgeon by profession, and now I think I'm developing my curiosity towards the naturopathy also, because I have reversed many of my problems. I have improved many of my health conditions with the treatment that was being given to me by my coach in the last 6 months.
Wow. Beautiful. So let's come to your angel coach Raksha Jain. So thank you so much, Dr. Shweta, for sharing up, for sure your acceptance towards naturopathy, being a surgeon, and it really means a lot, not just to us, but I would say to the entire world. And that is the big change that we are seeing in the society, that we are moving towards integrative approach. So thank you so much for coming and sharing. So Raksha, over to you. How was that possible? I was seeing the health issues. Wow. So how you have done it, what you have done it, over to you.
Yes, thank you for this opportunity, and thank you so much, Shweta, for your kind words. So basically, Shweta was actually on hormonal therapy previously, where the periods are being regulated by the medications as well. Okay, so during those periods, she has been through a lot of pain every time she would get her cycle. Okay, so a lot of women out there goes through similar kind of pain where you have like excessive bleeding during your menstrual cycles as well. So over that she has been able to overcome, where she was able to pass this timing of 6 months without even a pill. So she was very happy that moment, that this time I have not taken any medicine. So that was the breakthrough moment for her, that she felt very, very happy, best, because she has had a schedule where she had to follow her profession, and along with that she had to follow the diet as well. Shows she has really shown patience as well in following the diet and seeing the results, and that's what given her such good results. Thank you so much, Vishal sir, for this opportunity, and once again thank you so much, Shweta. Thank
Beautiful.
you.
Thanks to you, Raksha, for being so awesome. Thanks to you, Dr. Shweta. So I can truly see the world is in the right hands, the woman power, right? Beautiful. Beautiful. Thank you so much, Dr. Shweta. And I truly would like to say that please don't see this as the end of the journey, that the 6 months are over. I truly believe that you need to sustain it, you need to be disciplined, and you need to like,
Definitely, sir. No,
yes.
this I also have a belief, because now my eagerness to take the junk foods and all is gone down. I am not so eager to go out and have lunch or dinner as earlier I used to go. I feel like I should have the home food, and I have a more inclination toward it now, because now I know exactly how I am getting being healed by my meals itself. So
Yes.
my all that curiosity to go out and have those foods have come to almost null now. So I
Amazing.
would really tell everyone out there that they should go to the Mother Nature, because Mother Nature at every stage is ready to embrace her. Only thing is that we have to give them the time. We have
Yes.
to give the time to heal ourselves, because all the problems, solutions are there out in the nature, in the sunlight, in the air that we breathe, in the water that we drink.
True.
Everything, our natural medicine is out there. So instead of taking so many pills, I think we should give time. Rather than
Yes.
giving money to all these medicines, we should give time to the Mother Nature to heal ourselves.
Beautiful message. Thank you so much, Dr. Shweta. Thank you so much, Raksha, for being
Thank you.
come here. And yes, truly proud of both of you girls. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, sorry, you just got muted by mistake. You can unmute yourself, doctor.
No, I would just like to give my thanks to you as well as to my coach, who was there at each and every step of mine for answering my small queries. And even if by mistake I used to message her on Sundays, as you said not to do, but just out of mistake, if I used to message, my answer or my reply was there as soon as
Beautiful.
possible. So
So,
I
doctor,
really thank her.
yeah, please allow me to ask you
Being
one
there.
thing. When I usually say that when you talk to these people, just by talking you start healing. Yeah, that was true.
Definitely, definitely. Because
Thank you.
once in your seminar also you said that it's the universe which have brought you here. And
Yes.
that is the feeling what I also have, because the time I joined your course, I was in a very bad situation because my migraine, my PCOD problems, my bloating problems, and with all these things, my stress levels have increased. So I was in a very open with all these problems. And that was the time when I saw your ad on the Facebook, and that was the time I thought that I will give it a try, because these medicines are not giving me relief at any way. So that was the time that when I joined your course. And I remember you said in your first webinar that if you really from inside want to get healed, the universe will help you out. And I think the universe did that I came across your ad. So it was
Beautiful.
very true, you saying that.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Dr. Shweta. More power to you and more
Thank
power
you.
to you,
Thank you
Raksha.
so much.
Amazing. So, guys, you can just type MPTY for Dr. Shweta and MPTY for Raksha Jain for being so awesome. Thank you so much for coming here and sharing your experience, girls. Thank you so much.